Welcome back to English Freedom. I'm so excited to share today's lesson with you. Are you ready to learn something amazing? Today, we're going to master the art of conversation in English. But not just any conversation. We're focusing on travel conversations. Why travel? Because everyone loves talking about trips, vacations, and adventures. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to start conversations about travel. You'll learn simple questions that work every time. You'll discover how to keep conversations flowing naturally. And most importantly, you'll feel confident speaking with anyone about their travel experiences. I have a special method to share with you today. It's called the Conversation Circle Method. This method has 4 easy steps that will make your conversations smooth and enjoyable. Let's begin. The Conversation Circle Method. Here's my simple 4-step approach that will change how you speak with people. Step 1. Ask. Begin with a friendly question. Step 2. Listen. Show you care about their answer. Step 3. Explore. Ask for more information. Step 4. Connect. Share your own story. Think of this like a circle that keeps going around. When one topic ends, you simply start a new circle with a fresh question. It's that simple. This method works because people love talking about themselves. When you show genuine interest, they feel good. When they feel good, the conversation becomes natural and fun. Step 1. Ask. Starting travel conversations. Let's practice some great opening questions for travel conversations. Remember, speak slowly and clearly. Summer plans. Do you have any vacation plans this summer? Are you going anywhere special this year? Have you planned your summer break yet? General travel questions. Are you thinking about taking a trip soon? Do you have any exciting travel coming up? What's your next adventure going to be? Seasonal questions. If it's winter where you are you planning to go somewhere warm this winter? Do you want to escape the cold weather? If it's summer, are you looking for somewhere cool to visit? Do you have plans to beat the heat? Practice these questions with me. Say them out loud right now. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice. Step 2. Listen, showing interest. After you ask your question, the person will give you an answer. Here are some examples. Yes, I'm visiting Thailand next month. My family and I always go to the beach in summer. Not really, but I'd love a short trip somewhere nice. Now, here's the important part. Always respond with enthusiasm. Your reaction should be positive and encouraging. Here are some great phrases. Positive reactions. That sounds wonderful. How exciting. That's fantastic. What a great idea. I bet you're really looking forward to it. That sounds like so much fun. For shorter trips, that will be really nice. Even a short trip can be amazing. Sometimes the best trips are the short ones. Remember, your enthusiasm makes the other person feel good about sharing with you. This is the secret to great conversations. Step 3. Explore. Getting more details. Now you want to learn more about their trip. Here are some perfect follow-up questions. About travel companions. Are you going with friends? Is your family coming with you? Are you traveling by yourself? Who's joining you on this trip? About planning. Have you booked everything already? Are you still deciding what to do there? Is this trip all planned out? About travel style. Based on their destination, you can make friendly observations. It sounds like you enjoy beach vacations. You seem to love exploring new cultures. I can tell you're an adventure traveler. You really like relaxing holidays. These observations show you're listening carefully. People appreciate when you notice things about them. Step 4. Connect, sharing your experience. This is where you join the conversation by sharing something about yourself. This creates a real connection. If you've been to the same place. Oh, I went to Thailand 2 years ago. The food was incredible. Make sure you try the street food. I love beach vacations too. There's nothing better than relaxing by the ocean. If you haven't been there, I've never been to Thailand, but it's definitely on my list. What made you choose it? I've always wanted to visit there. What are you most excited about? If you have different travel preferences. That sounds amazing. I'm actually the opposite. I prefer mountain trips to beach vacations. How wonderful. I usually like city breaks, but your trip sounds so relaxing. Sharing your ideal vacation. My perfect vacation would be visiting small villages, trying local food, and meeting friendly people. What about you? What makes a perfect trip for you? Putting it all together, practice conversation. Let me show you how this works in a real conversation. I'll play both people. Person A. Do you have any vacation plans this summer? Person B. Yes. I'm going to Japan for 2 weeks in August. Person A. That sounds incredible. Are you going with friends? Person B. Actually, I'm traveling alone. I want to experience the culture and practice my Japanese. Person A. How exciting! Solo travel can be so rewarding. I went to Italy by myself last year, and it was one of my best trips ever. What cities are you planning to visit in Japan? Person B. I'm starting in Tokyo, then going to Kyoto and Osaka. Any recommendations? Person A. Oh, you have to visit the temples in Kyoto early in the morning. They're so peaceful before the crowds arrive. Do you see how the conversation flows naturally? Each person asks questions, shows interest, and shares their own experiences. The conversation could continue for a long time. Advanced tips for better conversations. 1. Use follow-up questions. Instead of just saying, "That's nice," try, "What made you choose that destination? How did you hear about that place? What are you most looking forward to?" 2. Share related stories. Connect their experience to yours. That reminds me of my trip too. I had a similar experience when my friend told me something interesting about that place. 3. Ask about preferences. Do you prefer planned trips or spontaneous adventures? Are you more of a beach person or a mountain person? Do you like trying new foods when you travel? 4. Show cultural interest. What's the local food like there? Are there any customs I should know about? What's the most interesting thing about their culture? Common mistakes to avoid.
Don't.
Give short answers like nice or cool. Change the topic too quickly.
Talk only about yourself.
Ask too many questions at once. Interrupt when they're speaking.
Do.
Show genuine interest. Ask one question at a time. Share your own experiences. Listen carefully to their answers.
Keep the conversation balanced.
Practice activities. Activity 1. Question practice. Choose 3 travel questions from this lesson. Practice saying them clearly and naturally. Record yourself if possible. Activity 2. Response practice. Imagine someone tells you about their travel plans. Practice giving enthusiastic responses using the phrases from this lesson. Activity 3. Story preparation. Think of a travel experience you've had. Practice telling it in simple, clear English. This way, you'll be ready when someone asks about your travels. Real-life practice opportunities. Where to practice. Coffee shops and cafes. Waiting areas, airports, train stations. Social events and parties. Language, exchange meetings. Online conversation groups. With classmates or colleagues. How to start. Listen for travel-related words in conversations. Look for opportunities to ask friendly questions. Don't worry about making mistakes. People appreciate your interest. Vocabulary review. Let's review the key words and phrases from today's lesson. Travel words: vacation, trip, adventure, journey. Destination, itinerary, plans. Solo travel, group travel. Beach vacation, city break, mountain trip. Conversation phrases. That sounds wonderful. How exciting! What made you choose? I've always wanted to visit. That reminds me of question starters. Do you have plans to? Are you thinking about? Have you ever been to? What's your favorite? Building your confidence. Remember, everyone loves talking about travel. It's a universal topic that brings people together. Here are some confidence-building tips. Start small. Begin with simple questions and short conversations. Be curious. People can tell when you're genuinely interested in their stories. Practice regularly. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll become. Don't fear mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes too. Focus on communication, not perfection. Celebrate progress. Every conversation is a step forward in your English journey. Your next steps. Here's what I want you to do after watching this lesson. 1. Choose your favorite questions. Pick 2 to 3 travel questions that feel natural to you.